The United States is gearing up for the November election. Donald Trump has been racing against time to fill up the vacant Supreme Court seat before the elections. He has set in motion the move to cement a conservative majority at the court. The president has announced Amy Coney Barrett as his Supreme Court nominee.
Today it is my honor to nominate one of our nation's most brilliant and gifted legal minds to the Supreme Court. She is a woman of unparalleled achievement, towering intellect, sterling credentials, and unyielding loyalty to the Constitution, Judge Amy Coney Barrett.
Donald Trump heaped praise on Judge Amy Coney Barrett after nominating her to the U.S. Supreme Court. If confirmed to replace liberal icon Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Barrett would become the fifth woman ever to serve on the top U.S. judicial body and push its conservative majority to a commanding 6-3.
Judge Barrett was confirmed to the Circuit Court 3 years ago by a bipartisan vote. Her qualifications are unsurpassed, and her record is beyond reproach. This should be a straightforward and prompt confirmation. Should be very easy. Good luck. It's going to be very quick.
With Trump's fellow Republicans controlling the Senate, Barrett's confirmation appears certain. Donald Trump also predicted that Amy Coney Barrett will get a very quick confirmation in the Republican-controlled Senate. Barrett appeared at the White House with Donald Trump for that formal announcement.
If the Senate does me the honor of confirming me, I pledge to discharge the responsibilities of this job to the very best of my ability. I love the United States, and I love the United States Constitution.
Democrats, on the other hand, are protesting that Donald Trump should not be filling up that vacant seat before the country chooses its president. They are still furious over McConnell's 2016 refusal to consider President Barack Obama's Supreme Court nomination of Merrick Garland because it came in an election year. This marks the first time since 1956 that a U.S. president has moved to fill a Supreme Court vacancy so close to an election. Top Senate Democrat Chuck Schumer condemned the nomination and said Justice Ginsburg must be turning over in her grave up in heaven to see that the person they chose seems to be intent on undoing all the things that Ginsburg did.
Just about everything that America believes in and stands for when it comes to issues like health care and labor rights and LGBTQ rights and women's rights. Judge Barrett stands against all of that.
Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden called on the U.S. Senate to refrain from confirming President Donald Trump's Supreme Court nominee until after the November 3rd election. The Senate should not act on this vacancy until after the American people select their next president and the next Congress, is what Biden said in a statement. Democratic vice presidential nominee Kamala Harris also voiced her opposition to Trump's pick. She tweeted saying, and I'm quoting, "This election would move the court further right for a generation and harm millions of Americans."